Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how you can make money from other people's content. Are you interested in making Facebook content or YouTube content and you don't have any desired skills or you don't have any skills in you to make your own personal content? So in this video, I'll teach you on how you can make content with other people's content. This is called copyright fair. At this point, you're just trying to react to other people's video to remodify it. It's called remodification because if you download exactly the same video and post exactly the same video, is going to be an issue because you are doing something very bad. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to remodify or how to react to people's video to form a new video, because your reaction shows that you're trying to make something new out of other people's content and you can make money from this. So let's go deep down and I'll tell you the exact applications you will need for these stuffs to happen. So first of all, you will need some application called the X Recorder and the CapCut. But for starting now, let's go to the X Recorder. So what you do is just to come to your Play Store, come to Play Store and you look for X Recorder. So this is X Recorder here. Yours will be telling you to install if you have not installed it before, but mine will be telling me to open your X Recorder. Once you open your X Recorder, you allow it to load because it's currently loading, and once it loads finish, so right now we're trying to do a reaction video. We are trying to remodify reaction video, and we can only use this app called the X Recorder to do such. So you come to this down place which says settings. I don't know this down place if you can see the screen very well, close at the bottom down which has the gear button. So you click on the settings. Once you click on the settings, you come to audio settings. Remember, we want to react to the video which we got from somewhere else, so we'll be using the video there. So we'll be using internal audio. For that, we'll be using what is called the internal audio, which is right here right now. So don't leave it at microphone, you leave it at internal audio. So once you leave it at internal audio, it will exactly pick the sound from the video you're trying to react to. So once you've done, you go back. So you now come to this place which says tools. Tools is at the extreme down. Look at it here, tools. So once you're in tools, you click on camera. So once you click on camera, it brings out your face like this. So this is me right now. So I don't know if you've seen people reacting to videos like this. So this is how it is. So you can even move the camera side, you can move it up, down, left, right, center, and any angle you want to put it. So once the camera is open, don't worry, just minimize your X Recorder, take it off. So once you take the X Recorder off, you can check the camera is still showing, is still recording, is still following me everywhere I go. So to tell you that it's really ready to react to any video you want to do. So right now, let me go into my phone and look for a video which I'll be reacting to. So okay, let me go into my video and my phone and look for any video I want to react to. So let me use this girl's video. I pray it doesn't strike a copyright issue. So let me use this video.
Stop starting your videos like this. Hey guys, this is Tife's Empire here. Hi everyone, I want to tell you about. My name is Tife of Tife's Empire, and this is what Hey guys, it's me again. Today let's talk about. In this video, I want to tell you how I am going to. You need to stop starting your videos like that. Here are better attention grabbers and more better ways you can start your videos. I cannot believe you guys are sleeping on this. If you know you are a fashion girly and you are looking to, these are 5 mind-blowing ways you can. Have you ever been in a situation where, if you have been looking for the right, have you been thinking of how? I just recently discovered this. Do you find yourself struggling to? Here is a quick tip on how to try out all these hooks in your next content and let me know how it goes. I hope you found this helpful. See you on the next one.
So let's stop the video here. Then we'll go to CapCut right now. We'll come to CapCut. So once you're done, you're no longer using this camera because you're done reacting already. You just come to this camera and cancel it. You're no longer using it again. So you open your CapCut, but I'm so sorry. At this point, I have to cancel. I have to cut the screen record because I'm actually using the screen recorder to record everything I've been doing. So, but I'll try to tell you what to do. So let me end it right now. But I'll start immediately. So once you're in the CapCut right now, you click on New Project. So once you're in this new project, you open the content which you just recorded right now. So this is it, and you come to it and you click on Add. So once you click on Add, this is it now. It has come into your phone. So let's go to that extreme point which we just recorded. I'm so sorry, I recorded a very long stuff here. So where did we start from? Where did we start reacting from? Okay, we started around here. Okay, then once, I'm so sorry, from my Facebook page, I'm getting some notification. So once you're here, you don't need here, you split here off right now. So you delete this part off. So you delete this part off. So this is the video we reacted to.
Stop starting your videos like this. Hey guys.
If you notice, my face is still at the top, which means I'm remodifying this video, which will remove copyright strike from any form of copyright strike. So let's play.
This is Tifes Empire here. Hi everyone, I want to tell you about. My name is Tife of Tifes Empire, and this is what I. Hey guys, it's me
So
again.
no need. Let me just fast forward the whole stuffs. And
it's a quick tip on how to try out all these hooks in your next content and let me know how it goes. I hope you found this helpful. See you on the next one.
So this is it. So let me just delete this side. Let me delete this end side. So what you do right now is there's something I usually do is to increase the resolution, or let's say, sorry. I'm so sorry. Where's my CapCut? So what you do now is to aspect ratio. So I increase my aspect ratio to the standard 9:6, which will give me the privilege to expand my video to full the screen. So I do expand the screen so that I'll remove the top, those places which is recording my phone network bar and the rest. So I'll keep it around here. So
stop starting your videos like this. Hey guys, this is Tifes Empire here. Hi everyone, I want to tell you about. My name is Tife of Tifes Empire, and this is
once you're done.
Hey guys.
So once you're done, I don't need the end part of CapCut. So I don't need the end part. I delete it off. So once I delete it off, I just come to this place to export. So gradually, right now it's exporting. So this is how to make videos, remodifying people's videos so that to avoid copyright issues from Facebook or YouTube. It's so simple. It doesn't cost a lot. It's just so simple. If you watch this video very carefully, you will understand that it's so simple. So let me just go into my phone right now, into my photo right now. So this is it right now.
Stop starting your videos like this. Hey guys, this is Tifes Empire here. Hi everyone.
So we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video very helpful, please click on the subscribe button and like this video, and we'll see you subsequently. Thank you so much. Bye.